Welcome back to the Karen Cave. Well, it's that time in between Christmas and New Year's Eve and New Year's Day for that next round of food. And I'm out here cleaning up the first round of food, but most of it's gone, but I'm just kind of tired of all the same old leftovers and everything else. So I'm gonna go into the kitchen and make myself something I think that is just nice and refreshing and something that is so easy and healthy. So I'm gonna take you in there and we're gonna go make a nice banana sandwich. Come on. Okay, it's super simple. We've got just a few little things here. I've got my handy dandy, I love gadgets. I think I'm queen of gadgets. Everybody knows I've got too many of them. But this is a banana slicer, and what it does is just can take that banana and slice it nice and even, and then we're gonna lay the banana on the bread and we're gonna give it a little shot of Hellmann's mayonnaise and bam, you've got a banana sandwich. So watch this. That's as simple as it can be. So now I'm going to just take this, give it a nice slice in half. I'm going to bring that beautiful Christmas dish down and add that banana sandwich to my chips. And then I'm going to add a nice cup of warm chicken broth to it.